In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Homebase. First things first, let's navigate to your Homebase dashboard, where you'll find an array of options designed to help you manage your business needs with ease. When you first log in, you'll be greeted by the Quick Start Guide. This is your handy companion for getting up and running quickly, offering you a streamlined way to navigate the essential features of Homebase. It's a great place for beginners to get acquainted with all the tools available to you. Now, you might be wondering where you can manage and organize your team's work schedules. That's where the Schedule section comes in. Here, you have the flexibility to create, adjust, and share schedules, ensuring that all team members are aligned and informed about their roles and responsibilities. This feature allows you to handle last-minute adjustments effortlessly, keeping everything organized and smooth. Next, let's talk about timesheets. This area is crucial for tracking employee hours and ensuring your payroll is accurate. You can monitor clock-ins, clock-outs, and breaks, giving you control over the efficiency and productivity of your team. Once you're comfortable here, you'll find it serves as an invaluable tool for payroll preparation. Speaking of payroll, the payroll section is your go-to for processing payments. It's directly linked with the timesheet data, simplifying the otherwise daunting process of calculating hours and ensuring that everyone gets paid correctly and promptly. Moving on to the team category. Remember, this is where you maintain your employee database. From personal information to job roles and contact details, everything about your team members is stored here. It's straightforward, making it easy for you to keep track of everyone in one convenient place. For those interested in improving productivity, the productivity feature is a great resource. It provides insights and analytics that can help you identify how time is being spent and where improvements can be made. This is an excellent tool for fine-tuning operations and developing better workflows. In the HR Center, you'll have access to resources that make managing human resources much easier. From compliance to onboarding new employees, everything you need to effectively manage HR tasks is centralized here. Additionally, benefits is where you handle additional perks for your team, allowing you to attract and retain top talent by offering competitive benefits. For insights into how your team is performing and other key business metrics, Reports offers you detailed information that can inform your strategic decisions. Then there's Hiring, a streamlined feature that supports your recruitment efforts. From posting job openings to reviewing applications, it provides comprehensive support throughout the hiring process. Under Settings, you can customize Homebase to suit your specific business needs, adjust permissions, update personal preferences, and ensure everything is configured to your liking. Lastly, if you ever need assistance, the Help section is there to provide you with resources and guidance, making sure you receive the support you need whenever you need it. That's all for today's walkthrough of Homebase. With these detailed steps, you're well on your way to mastering Homebase for efficient and effective team management.